It's Tuesday, people, and it would not be a Tuesday without a absolutely necessary tip like how to peel fresh ginger with a spoon. We can break off a piece of ginger the size that we need, a little piece like that. There's a kind of hard, rough end that we can trim. And trimming it into basically that maybe 1-inch tube or however long we want it, we can then peel it. And I use a spoon to peel it. Just place the ginger on the cutting board and you just kind of scrape it with a spoon. And what you'll see is that the ginger skin is kind of really delicate and it scrapes right off very easily with a spoon, making it not only really easy to peel, but you actually get 100% yield. You're not losing any of the actual fruit of the ginger like you would if you were to trim it with a knife or with a peeler. So using a spoon is a great trick and it's the main way that I use. If you have some extra stems or scraps that are kind of too little to peel, those are great for making tea with. So even with the stem, you just make you just chop them up and can throw them into your tea, and they're very delicious.